Hi, in this video we will learn about how to send email messages using Mailchimp. As some of you might be familiar with Mailchimp, it's a popular mail sending service for sending transactional but also campaign email messages. For this purpose we will be creating a new application called Send Email using Mailchimp. Next we will be using a basic template. Okay, let's get into our application. We will not be defining any models. Let's directly go to the endpoints, create a new endpoint called send email. This will be a post request and the path will be email. You can define whatever path name you want, but as long as it doesn't conflict with any existing path names. At service, we will be creating a new service and email. Let's create it. Let's get into our service. To send emails using the Mailchimp, we need to go to the marketplace, go to Mailchimp and transactional email. We will be using the send email node of Mailchimp. As usual, similar to what we have done for the send grid case, we need to have an API key to use this node. In order to have an API key, we should have an account in Mailchimp. So let's go to our account. I already created an account. If you go to the documentation for transactional email, then it says that you need to go to the settings. This will open a new window for us, and I already created an API key. Let me create another one, new one. Let's create this one. Okay, I created another one. Let's copy this thing. Let's go back to here. Let's pass this thing to here. The from email. In order to send an email from using Mailchimp services, your domain name needs to be authorized. So if I go back to here, domains, sending domains, I already make the necessary configuration to authenticate autojig.com. So this means that I can use, for example, no reply at autojig.com as my from email from let's say the great app support team. This is the from name that will be shown on the email. The to email will be my Hotmail email. It's the destination email address. To name is optional. We don't need to specify anything here. Welcome. I can either specify HTML or a text message. In this case, I will be specifying a text message. Hello there. Hope all is fine. The team. That's it. Okay. There are some other optional parameters that you can specify, but for now I think that's fine. Then the final node will be the response node, return success response. Let's configure like this. I think we are okay. Let's create an environment to run this. Let's put it development environment. Let's apply our snapshot. Let's do snapshot here. The deployment is completed. Let's test it to launch the test panel. Okay, this is our endpoint. We don't need any input parameters, so let's hit send. Okay, it successfully sent the email message. Let's check Hotmail. As you can see, we can see the email message here. Okay, let me delete this one. What else we can do? We can also send an email with an attachment. Okay, for that purpose, I go to the marketplace, Mailchimp again, transactional email, send email with attachment. I will be doing similar things, so let me copy these things here because it's almost the same. No reply, no reply. The create app support team, The two email addresses here, subject, test email with attachment. Here is the attachment. Okay, then I can connect this one to here. The other thing is that I need to send an attachment of the file to this node There are a couple of ways. I mean, either you can download it from your cloud storage, or you can send a file as an input to the service. So I will be doing that one. So we will be having a file uploads, and then file name will be attachment. Okay. Then what I need to do is I need to go to put a get object value not here, which will get the attachment file, attached file. Then I will moving this file to here as an input parameter. Then that's it. If I go back to here, this time I need to select the file. Let's select this thing, and I think we are fine. Let's send this email. So it's uploading the file, attaching it to an email, and sending the email using the Mailchimp services. Let's go to Hotmail. Let's wait for a few seconds, because yeah, here we've got the email with the correct subject line, and we also have the attachment in the body of the message. I mean, similar to the case for SendGrid, there are some additional nodes that you can use, like using some templates that you define in Mailchimp, and again sending an email using a template, sending an email using a template with an attachment. You can add contacts members, you can define your audience list, etc. I hope that helps. Thanks a lot for watching.